side, we stay to your side. If the cones come back to my side, we'll make a smooth transition back to my side. Come out to your side, smooth brakes, orange cone, back to green cone. First lap's going to be a little bit slower. Second and third laps is when we get to speed it up.
Sounds good, man. Gotta warm up the tires.
Twist, nice smooth brakes. We always break in that straight line and go orange cones back to green cones. Back into our throttle after. Go orange cone, back to green cone.
This is when they slow you down.
Brakes,
Yeah.
all the way through.
Yeehaw.
That brake, we let the car do the work. Nice good brakes.
Hell yeah.
All right, that's
Hell
part
yeah.
of the first part, okay? Now we're going to start to...
Yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Oh, I'm loving it!
Oh my god, yeah.
Pretty crazy, right?
Fuck yeah.
Perfect.
Hell
Now we're gonna
yeah.
let them catch up a little bit. We're gonna go through the chicane and we're gonna do it all over again,
Let's do it, buddy. Blow through that chicane. Right over the